This is a 2011 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Cal Worthington Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1950 Gamble Street in Anchorage.